We are here at Katubia Island. This is the first site where we will deploy the oyster mattresses. And behind me you see here the shoreline. It's now still high tide, but in an hour or so low tide will come in, and then we will deploy 8 mattresses that have been prepared now here by the local people. As you can see, if we turn a little bit over there, the mattresses are being prepared. The mattresses are being covered with nets, and we will fill them with oyster shells, with bricks, and also with some window pane shells, which are being prepared over there. At Katubia Island, and here you see one of the elevated mattresses, and you can nicely see the substrate we are using to see which substrate is best suitable for catching oyster larvae, so for catching the oyster spat and for growing oysters. So we have 4 substrates. First one are dead oyster shells that have been collected from nearby from the nearby region. These are window pane shells collected from another island. As you can see, these are very big shells which should be very good spat collectors. The third substrate we are using are live oysters, because we also want to see if oysters can survive here, and we want to also know if they grow very well, and that we will compare with this island and the other islands. And the fourth substrate we are using are just stones which we put in, and also there we want to see if they can catch oyster larvae or not. So these 4 substrates we will compare, and by November we will know which substrate is the best to continue with in the next phase, where we want to upscale this project to a much larger area so that we can also use it as a coastal protection method. And if we move further along the mattresses, we come here to the mattresses which we put on top of the mud flat on the surface, so we can compare both treatments to see which treatment is best, because the treatment we have here, which is on the mud flat itself, this has a higher risk of getting clogged with sediment, with mud in the coming months. Because when the monsoon period will come, and this will start now and will peak in May, in July, August, then a lot of this mud will be removed from the mud flat, and of course then we get a risk of getting clogged mattresses. And so now the local people started a little bit higher in the intertidal zone to place the other 4 mattresses. So we will have there the same treatments, 2 elevated and 2 on the bottom. And so as you can see, the workers just started now, and we hope we can finish this within the coming hours.
Lag bana.